Hi, I'm Jane. I'm going to do an acrylic pour painting, but first I've put some contact paper here with the horse shape, and after I do the pour on this part, the next video, after this part dries, then I will do the next part. I'll take this off, and then I'm going to try a different kind of technique on this part. So first, okay, I have this canvas that it's actually was something else, a print, so I sanded it. It wasn't my print, but I had it. I sanded it over and put some couple coats of gesso on it before I do my pour. And so the colors I mixed are, okay, a mixture of this black Ceramicoat by Delta, apple barrel, because I had these leftover blacks. This is black, and this is also the Ceramicoat. Okay, and then this is the Craft Paint Plaid. It's a chocolate color. I had some Floetrol already mixed in this, so the other ones, if they were too thin, I didn't put any. I have a little of this color too. Wild Heather, Country Colors. And then I used this Liquitex Basic, it's ultramarine blue. And I'm using the Americana acrylic paint Deco Art white, snow titanium white. Alright, and I'm just using some alcohol. I put a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, a couple drops, a few drops in each cup of color. And I also used this, some of this, this is actually Sherwin-Williams Color to Go. It's kind of a gray color. And so I put all the paints in the cups and put a little alcohol in each one. So here's about how much I have in them. And stirred it up with either this, or I didn't have enough of these handy, so I cut some little bit of white board I had. Now, okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try just putting the colors in here, and then after that I'm going to put white around it and see what happens. Alright, first, in fact, I'll put a little bit of white on the bottom. Just a little. Okay, now this is the chocolate color. A little bit of this Sherwin-Williams. A little blue. Ultramarine blue. Ultramarine blue. Okay, and then here's some black. Uh-oh, dropped one. That's no biggie. Okay, now this is the purple. And put some more, all the rest of the colors. I'm just going to dump all the rest in what I mixed. Just random order. Except for the white. I'm not going to put any more white in it. Black. And a little more purple. Okay, now I see how pretty it looks. Now I'm going to put this over here like this and go. Okay, now though, I'm gonna let that sit there for a second. Put some white around it. White over a few places here. Okay, now I'm gonna move this around a bit. And I can make that color. Now I'm going to push them over the side a little bit. That's just kind of fun. Okay, I'm not going to worry about if I get some under the horse, well, I can fix that later. But hopefully I had this pushed on, that was contact paper on the horse. Hopefully I had it pushed on there hard enough where it'll be pretty good. Oh good, this looks kind of wild. Cool, okay. Now, alright, now I'm just gonna, I don't know if I like that blue there. There, okay. I'm just gonna shake it around a little. Actually, no. I am going to push some of that down on the side. I could have shook it, but I'm just gonna push it down. I don't want to shake it too much. I like the way it's kind of setting there. Now here. I always like to get the sides painted with the same colors that are in the painting, because that helps it. Looks a little better than if you try to mix them later, because you might not get them the same. Let's see, okay, I got that side. Now let's see, here's a lot of paint here, so I'll put it up here. Some fell on there, so I'll just mix that. Some of it's dripping over the edge, so that helps. I'm just going to rub it on there. Dripping is nice, but it doesn't have to be dripped. Okay, now I'm going to turn it this way, and you can see what I'm going to do over here. Maybe you can see, I don't know. Here. I hope you can see. I might be moving the paint around a little on top too, because when you tilt it, it moves it around a little, but that's okay. Now, I love doing this random, just kind of do random stuff. Oh, I didn't get this. Okay, just this side. I'm not going to do it below where the horse is, because that'll be more the colors of the horse. What I'm going to use on the horse, which is going to be different colors. Okay, now when that all dries, I'm going to pull this off and then do the inside. So, oh, I can here's the heat gun. Maybe that'll make some cells for us. Making some little cells. Well, it doesn't really need cells. I don't know, I like it without the cells too. I just like that wild look of it. Oh, there's some cells coming right there. Yep. And there's a few cells coming. Now, I tend to touch things up, and if I didn't like it or I missed a spot or something, I just touch it up later. Like right there, I think for some reason the paint didn't go anyway. Now, always be careful with your heat gun. I burned myself one time with it. But, so, remember that it's very, very hot. It's not like a hairdryer. So you don't put you don't touch that, and you don't put it anywhere on that side of it, because you can get burned. Like, oh, where's my burn? Oh, there it is. See my burn that I got? Not too bad, but it's a burn. Okay, now. And then be sure you don't point the gun at anything when you put it down. You don't want to point it or let it touch anything. So you have to set it how it's supposed to be set up. Okay, well, I hope you liked the video so far, and watch for the next one, because I'll try to do it on Monday.